Nestled at the top of a hill in the northernmost part of Cumberland, this beautiful custom-built contemporary is situated minutes from Diamond Hill Reservoir. Through the double-wide doors, the main level houses a gorgeous dining room where a wall of windows extends 2 stories, giving you a treetop view with every meal. The adjoining living room enjoys its own wall of windows and a 2-sided fireplace that it shares with the skylit family room. The bright kitchen enjoys stainless steel appliances, a central island, and access to the rear deck. Dine on the rear deck or walk up the stone path lined with mature plantings to the front deck. Enjoy tranquil views of the gardens and surrounding privacy wood from both locations. The second level features 2 sunlit bedrooms, a home office, and a full bath. Located on the 3rd level is a master suite boasting a fireplace, an ensuite bath, and a walk-in closet. The bright finished lower level completes the home and is a perfect recreation or work area. Diamond Hill Reservoir is minutes away, and on the other side is Diamond Hill Park, full of beautiful trails and scenery. Enjoy locally grown produce at nearby Phantom Farms and Franklin Farm. Easy on-highway access brings you to Boston in less than an hour. Providence's renowned cultural scene and dining options are less than 16 miles away. For more information, please visit the property website or call Janice Geddes at area code 401-692-0407.